Another one.
I'm out.
Let's keep that. What's going on, everybody? So I got Malcolm with me. Y'all were asking where Malcolm was at in the comment section last time. Where's Malcolm? He's here. We are Sheepshead fishing, and then we're gonna make a run out front. It's pretty slick out here, so probably go to the Katrina Reef, see what we can make happen. But y'all stick with us. Hit that like button, please. It lets me know that y'all are watching these videos and enjoying them. So please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel and share these videos with your friends and family. We're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. Trying. So please help us out in doing that. Y'all, let's do our best to catch some fish. So y'all stick with us. Let's make it happen. Let's do it. Ooh, that's a good one. Maybe. I don't know. I got light line. So I play him right. It's pulling drag. Don't look bad. Ooh, hit that pond down there. Almost did, yeah. They gotta be 14. He's probably like right on it. But yeah, first fish of the day, y'all. Nice little sheepshead. We'll take it. Let me get this hook out of his lip and measure him up. We'll see if we put him in the box. So it's 15 and a half. I'm using light line, split shot, and a live bait hook because every time I've been fishing here lately, they've been real finicky. So I'm trying to lighten everything up. So small ones feel giant right now. 15 and a half, put them in the live well. Probably gonna keep some fish today.
Don't feel hooked right.
They don't feel hooked right.
It's a sheephead or a
Big sheep. Big old sheepshead. Oh, my rock just bowed over. That's a big sheep. There you go, buddy. It's a good one. It's a lot bigger than the one I just brought in. Let's see what I got over here. Dude, it's good size. Let's see.
We're gonna need to put some more water in there.
Yeah. It's a really good size.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
You want to measure him real quick?
Go for it.
Yeah, let's see how big he is.
They ain't got sharp gills like a red snake, or else I'd be
I know you wouldn't be happy right now. What you got, buddy?
19 and a quarter.
All right, I'm hooked up.
Oh, I just got one now.
Yep. Good fish. Oh yeah, I only got 8 pound test on this one. I forgot. 8 pound. Ooh, it's pulling drag too. Feels good. What we got right here, y'all? Another sheepshead. Oh, he impaled that jig too. Oh yeah. Yo, the sheepshead are in. Definitely a keeper. It's a good one. Back-to-back sheeps, Malcolm. Ooh, them looks like he needs to go see a dentist. Look at them teeth. Goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna need some pliers, buddy. Oh, that rod right there. Oh, get him, Malcolm. Get him, Malcolm. Get him. See if he's still on there. Oh, he's gone. Dang. But y'all, you got like gingivitis or something. I'm gonna have to cut that off because it's down in there. Put a new one on. There we go, guys. That's 3 in the box. Let's get some more. Oh, close it. Oh my God. Wait. All right, now close. Oh, there we go. Oh, I don't have drag set. Oh, everything is going. Oh, I just pulled mine. Dang it. Oh my goodness. Oh. That's a cat. Look at that, y'all. That is cool. Do what?
Hey, whose Silverado is that at the back of the back of the
Oh, it's mine, maybe.
Oh wait, whatever's
Look
on
at that, y'all.
Whatever's on there.
Is that a? I don't know what kind of catfish that is. Blue cat.
Got me, dude.
That's cool. Look at them nice fillets on there, y'all. Yeah. Look at the parasite on it. See the parasite?
Go really get croaker.
Yeah, go.
I'm not really going to really get croaker. I'm going to get
We don't want to keep this?
I don't feel like cleaning it. If you want to clean it, go for it.
I will let them go. That's pretty awesome, ain't it, guys? See something like that in the back bay of Biloxi. Bye, buddy. Well, that's cool. Good job, Malcolm. We were just doubled up for a second, y'all. I lost mine though because I didn't check my drag. But all right, let's get back out there. Oh, Malcolm! What are you doing? What are you doing over there?
I don't know.
I need to cast where you're fishing, huh?
He ain't coming off the bottom, so
No.
that worries me.
Is that a big old you know what?
Yeah, probably.
Maybe not.
Fighting the same way as the other one.
Is it? Sheeps?
Sheepshead?
Oh. Yeah,
Yeah,
right? So, back-to-back catfish, sheepshead. There's a little onion on it. All right.
I'm out.
Oh my goodness. You gonna let me grab you? No? Yes? Maybe so? Without poking me, please, sir. 16 3/4. It's a good sheepshead. Closing that! Oh my gosh. Got a little crazy in there.
That's a nice one. You got to wait till you think better not trip, fall, and die. What is it? Oh, what an ankle. Oh.
Big old catfish.
Oh, it's another one.
Another one.
I'm out. We can keep that one.
Another one. That's cool.
Probably won't have to just bring back, honestly. Well, catfish gas works like that. They could be the same.
This is why we needed a net.
Would have been a beautiful time. Why is he bleeding out like this?
All right. That was something. All right, catfish in the box. Oh my God. Let's see if we can get another one. I just lose one, then you just hook up. That's how we're doing. What you got there, buddy? Oh, came to the...
Oh, keeper's back.
Oh, yes it is.
Oh. Yes, and I hooked him at the same time.
What?
God is so good. Huh? Oh, my bad.
Oh my God.
I know he's a keeper, at least.
I hope so.
I bet if he ain't, boy. You better confront me if he ain't a keeper.
He's 15 1/4.
Okay.
He's keeper.
Put him in there.
He's keeper. Malcolm with the first keeper trout of the day.
First keeper trout of the year.
First keeper trout of the year. There we go. 15 1/4. Gonna. Oh, they didn't go crazy. Awesome. All right, y'all. Oh my God. Still there. Double up.
What are you trying to do?
I don't know.
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to him.
I don't want to get an anchor line.
Oh, Lord. It's a big catfish.
Is it you saw him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
You almost died. You almost lost.
If it's another one, it's gotta be a bigger one. Goodness.
Or it can finally be that drum.
Oh, you said you saw it.
Yeah. The same color.
You want to get close to me? Y'all want to come over here and get close to me? Like step up and be next to me? Not that close. Goodness. Goodness, this thing is fighting. I'll be honest with you, I'm trying to be gentle with it because every time we've caught big fish here or hooked big fish, we haven't been able to land them too well. Jonathan just hooked up with a big one and it got away. That's a drum. It's okay. That's so last time people were asking why we're throwing it back. They were just a little bit too big for my liking. This one right here though, that's perfect to eat. Like I'm telling you, this right here, these drum are what you want to eat.
I like the little pans here.
A little lettuce. Yeah, that's a perfect drum to eat, y'all. We're gonna put them in a box with all the other fish, and we're gonna close it. Malcolm, you getting bumps?
I was.
He was. So we doing good, y'all. We doing good. Let's keep it up.
He ain't never stand. He ain't even stand a chance.
Oh my God, dude! I can't move this. This is huge.
Have fun, John.
Thanks, Malcolm. Oh, are we doubling up right now? Dude, this is.
Oh, I got a nice little trout. Stay
You got
down.
a trout?
Stay down.
You got a trout? I don't have a trout. I wish I had a trout.
Another keeper.
Another keeper? You always say that. We always say it's another keeper.
When it feels heavy on my big pole, it's normally a nice trout.
It's not bad.
That's a keeper.
I don't know about that. Let me see. Well, no, I'm busy.
Yeah, let me see. You want to switch? Is that what you're doing?
You want to switch, y'all? Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is.
I'm mad that I'm catching these books on shrimp. I've been throwing the double D.
Can you watch your mouth?
You and that camera and that fish and that.
Oh my god.
Got you. Hold on.
Yeah, thanks, buddy.
Just shoot it. Dead weight.
There you go.
Tell you, that's a big black drum just being real lazy.
You think it's a big black drum?
I know it's either that or that catfish.
I only got 8-pound test, so.
Let me check this out. This big trap. This little speck.
Little specky speck?
Okay, keep
No, but you can check them. You can check them, Malcolm.
Let me check. Let me check you.
I just don't think he's a keeper.
Nope. He is 10.
There's water on that lens.
He's 13.
He's 13.
13 on the mark.
13 on the mark. Look at that trout. Look at that trout, y'all.
The trout.
Little speckled trout. Look at that on the throat. Look at that sunset. We out here catching fish. Look at that beautiful sunset. It's like romantic. Don't look at me like that, Malcolm.
Now we're pushing. Look,
now we're gonna push him over.
We almost lost Malcolm. I reached for a pole when I was supposed to reach for like this, and I almost missed it. You almost didn't see Malcolm for a little while.
Ooh, I thought he was gonna
That's
come
a
off.
nice drum.
Yep, another drum.
I already knew. Fighting too lazy, but at the same time, he got the shoulders.
He did have some shoulders. He got them shoulders.
Yeah, you got. Okay. Are you like a broad shoulder man?
What? Malcolm, you want this one?
Huh?
He's not giant. You want him?
Yeah. I'll
I almost just died.
I guess I'm flaying a kind of fish.
Well, you said you got a fish fry coming up, so.
Tonight.
Tonight?
Tonight, there's no one else invited to.
I got a fish fry that no one's allowed to come to. We didn't even get invited, y'all.
Only Malcolm. We'll be driving home in the dark out here.
I mean, he's not. This one, he's big. Like, he's not one of those big uglies, but it's still, you can.
So he starts getting the gummy lips.
Yeah. Oh, he's got them.
He's got gummy lips. Look, he's got gummy lips.
Dang. That hook wasn't coming out. And then pliers, please.
Excuse me,
All right, y'all. So we're gonna put them in the box because Malcolm wants. Malcolm has a fish fry. All right, let's see if we can get a couple more fish. Well, y'all, I would say today was successful. Caught a bunch of fish, had a great time. Too bad we didn't keep that other catfish. We didn't think about that until we put it back. But we got one in there. I had a blast. What about you, Malcolm?
Yeah, good day.
It was a really good day. Beautiful sunset, glass water. We're about to make a run back in now. So we will see you all at the dock. All right, guys, so we got some sheepshead. We got 4 sheepshead, 2 ground mullet, a speckled trout, 2 black drum, and a blue cat. We also caught that 1 blue cat. Well, Malcolm did, and we put it back because, you know, we didn't want to mess with the catfish. But we decided we should have kept it. Malcolm, what are you doing?
Unhooking it?
Unhooking it? All right, y'all. Well, today was a lot of fun. I'm glad we made a little change of pace. We started the Beau Rivage, went to the Keeler Reef, and had some luck over there. That's 2 times we had luck over there, so it saved the day. But I just want to say I thank y'all so much for watching these videos, hanging out, and leaving likes, leaving comments. When we're out and about, stopping us, talking to us. We enjoy every single interaction we have with y'all, so I just want to say thank you so much. Man, today was a blast. I hope we get on them on our next trip. So y'all stick with us. I love every single one of you, and we'll see you on the next one.